This is because you asked for it. I managed to get two perfectly good broken dishwashers that some fool just threw out. Basically what I'm going to do is, first one I'm going to do the normal way. I'm going to go in with the grinder, cut the supporting bolts, and just the whole thing should just lift right out of there. There's a lot of good parts, a lot of brass, a lot of copper on this machine. But, because you asked for it, for dishwasher number 2, I'll be using this. An axe. Remember, I'm only doing this because you really wanted me to. And when I found out that people were asking me to do this, I giggled for like 10 minutes. It was fabulous. Also, never giggle with an axe. People will call the police, like within seconds. Coincidentally, this one came with a note when it by the side of the road. Said, it works, but it needs a new door. It's going to need much more than that. Yep, this is what I do with my time off. Gallagher never thought of this shit, did he? So with the grinder, I'm guessing, I'll look at the tape, it took me about 6 minutes, 5-6 minutes to get that really out of there in a nice, clean way. What, like 12 seconds? I'm not saying you're supposed to have a favorite, but sometimes, you know, the Viking way is the right way. So dismantling motors with an axe is a good way to get free copper with an axe. The other way to get free copper with an axe is just walk up to a guy who has copper with an axe and it's like, please give me your copper. And if you just, you know, if you're polite, he's definitely going to call the cops, like really quickly. Don't do that. Just, you know, motors.